All parties Hurriyat conference has said that the BJP-led Indian government is using its military might and the Hindutva-driven policies to suppress the Kashmiris' legitimate struggle for their right to self-determination. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, urged the Indian government to shun its anti-Kashmir and communal agendas in the internationally recognized disputed territory. Political experts and the analysts based in Srinagar have said that the BJP-led Hindutva government of India is expanding its settler colonial project in occupied Kashmir through the systematic seizure of the Kashmiris' land and confiscation of their properties. In their interviews, the analysts highlighted that the New Delhi appointed Lieutenant Governor is acting under the direct orders of the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah to systematically target the Kashmiri people using property confiscation as a tool. Kashmiri lawmaker from the Doda and the Aam Aadmi Party leader Miraj Malik has strongly criticized the use of the draconian the Public Safety Act against youth in occupied Kashmir. Malik's comments come in the wake of the detention of Rahmatullah Padar, a young youth social activist from the Doda who was booked under the PSA. Parents, students and the residents staged a protest outside a government school in the Bandipora district, expressing strong opposition to the installation of the mobile tower within the school premises due to the serious health risks. The protest took place outside the government boys' middle school at Nuso in the district, where the parents and the community members voiced their frustration. Two youth died in a road accident in the Srinagar city. The accident occurred along the highway at the Tangpura bypass of the city. The vehicle, which was reportedly involved in the collision with several other vehicles, overturned, leaving 3 people injured in the accident.